If you are ready, let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Artifacts quickly flying in the air for both of these alliances. Red Alliance looking to fire onto that goal. 25609 Load Robotics loading up in that Red Alliance loading zone. Now joined in the near field by Robo Warriors out of California. Robo Warriors come on back, opening up the gate, making sure those Red Alliance artifacts can fully classify for those points. Blue Alliance Unity Sunset raising artifacts up into that goal as Red retains a lead of about 40 points, moving towards the teleoperated period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, two, one.
Red Alliance taking the lead 56-17 coming out of Autonomous, moving into Teleop. Now these teams need to work around each other, looking to score as much as they can or slow down their opponents. Either one could work to help make sure their team is able to move on in our playoffs. Alliance number 6 has Unity Sunset coming in close. 1, 2, 3 going up, all three classifying. Now they come back with more. Strive driving around the field, but their turrets seemingly staying locked on a different corner for now. We'll have to wait and see how they're able to possibly get that resolved. Still got a minute 26 left to work through that as this match keeps on playing. Load Robotics loading back to that Red Alliance loading zone. Looks like this Red Alliance looking to play similar strategies, but Load actually staying out in the far field. Their alliance partners playing close. Robo Warriors looking to pick up artifacts from the floor. Staying in that close launch zone, taking artifacts left behind. Now coming under defense from Strive. The fixed shooter on Robo Warriors means defense can be very effective against them. As if you spin their robot off target, their shooter can't get the lineup. But Red retains the lead 101-65 with 50 seconds left in match play. Artifacts still flying in the air. Robo Warriors able to get their shots off just fine before Unity Sunset coming in. Now Load for Red, firing from deep as well. This split traffic strategy seems to be working very well for this Red Alliance, who's able to keep on shooting with relatively little difficulty in churning through the artifacts. We approach the endgame 119-77 is that Red Alliance number 7 lead as endgame whistle hits. 18 seconds to go. We are fully within the endgame now. Load launching, but Strive trying to keep him out of that close launch zone. Now Load going for the park. Returning to base. Strive doing the same for Blue. Unity Sunset setting up final artifacts for Blue. Robo Warriors trying to fly back for the same on Red as time expires.
And now for the match number 6, we have the winner, and it is Blue Alliance with a score of 155 to 143. Woo! What a score!